Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a handy feature that many WhatsApp users have been asking about: how to archive an announcement group in a WhatsApp community. This updated guide will help you declutter your chat list and keep your conversations organized. Let's get started. First things first, open up your WhatsApp app. You'll want to make sure you're using the latest version to access all the newest features. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a tab labeled Communities. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to a list of all the communities you're a part of. Now, find the specific community that contains the announcement group you want to archive. Tap on it to open up the community details. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll see the announcement group right at the top of the community page. This is the group where admins share important updates with all members. To archive it, you'll need to long press on the announcement group. Just hold your finger on it for a second or two. A menu will pop up with several options. Look for Archive Chat and tap on it. And just like that, you've archived the announcement group. It's important to note that archiving the announcement group doesn't mean you're leaving the community or missing out on important information. The group will still be accessible, but it won't clutter up your main chat list. This feature is especially useful if you're part of multiple communities and want to keep your WhatsApp interface clean and organized. You can always unarchive the group later if you decide you want it back in your main chat list. Remember, WhatsApp is constantly updating its features to improve user experience. This archiving option for announcement groups is just one of many new additions that make managing your digital communities easier than ever. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you found value in this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.